Okay, hello. Is screen visible to all? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes. We'll try to revise the content from the last unit. Okay. See here, in the syllabus, if you have gone through in unit number 2, we have gone through simple program. We have a very basic syntax here in the Python programming. Just what we need, that we need to type it on the console, or you can say on command prompt, so that it can be used for the execution or executing the programs. Okay, so we have gone through this structure of Python program and how the values are getting called from the program. Then afterwards, we go to the detail. What is a literal, what is variables, and what are the different operators. Okay, so who will tell me what is literal? Yes, anybody? What is literal? Literal कशाला म्हणतात? Anyone?
Sir, notation of fixed value.
Notation of fixed value. Okay, in very simple way, fixed value we called it as a literal. इथे मी तुम्हाला okay, if you remember last time I have shown you, let's say n is equal to 5. See, now out of this, who will tell me what is variable, what is operator, and what is literal? मी आता जे काही एक्सप्रेशन लिहिलंय याच्यामध्ये व्हेरिएबल काय आहे, लिटरल काय आहे आणि ऑपरेटर कुठला आहे?
Literal is 5, sir.
Correct?
Variable is n.
Yes.
And the symbol in between two operand is nothing but operator.
Very correct. See, now I hope everyone is understanding, or we are at the same level. Correct? See, out of this n equal to 5, n we called it as a variable. Variable is required to store the value. ही जी काही व्हॅल्यूची मी इथे डिस्प्ले केली 5, ही कुठेतरी स्टोअर व्हायला पाहिजे माझ्या हार्ड डिस्क मध्ये, बरोबर? सो इन द व्हेरी फर्स्ट लेक्चर वी हॅव सीन we have storage types like primary storage, secondary storage, बरोबर? थोडक्यात हार्ड डिस्क म्हणूयात, मे बी यू कॅन अंडरस्टँड इन बेटर वे. सो ही व्हॅल्यू काय आहे की ही व्हॅल्यू कुठेतरी स्टोअर व्हायला पाहिजे. सो ती व्हॅल्यू स्टोअर करण्यासाठी व्हॉट वी आर युझिंग द व्हेरिएबल्स, and value is nothing but we called it as a literal. And this symbol equal to, we have a different symbol, but now this equal to is what? Operator. And on the left hand side of operator and on the right hand side of the operator we called it as operands. ह्या ऑपरेटरच्या लेफ्ट हँड साइडला आणि राईट हँड साइडला जे काही असेल त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो प्रोग्रामिंग मध्ये? ऑपरंड्स. काय म्हणतो आपण? Yes. On the sides of operator we have operands. त्याला काय म्हणायचं? Operands. So if you forget, you can make a note anywhere. हा थोडासा एक तुम्हाला वेगळा शब्द असेल ऑपरंड वगैरे. Okay, on the sides of operator, आता okay, today we are going to see some operators like comparison, logical operators, that also we are going to see. But you should know these symbols we called it as operators, and on the left hand side or either on the right hand side, whatever you find we called it as operand. मग याला just मी ह्याला ऑपरेटर म्हणेल त्यावेळेस हे काय झालं, n is my operand and this 5 is also operand. But if I go directly, n is my variable, this is my equal to operator, and this is my literal. Okay, so this part we have completed in last lecture. Now there also we have seen the last point, how to talk to computer. That means if I wish to print something, and if I wish to get input from the user. Okay, so at that time I'm using the functions, right? Inbuilt functions from the Python programming languages. So which function is used to take value from the user? Yes, who will tell me? Yes, someone was saying something, but I couldn't hear. Can you repeat once again?
Sorry, sir, don't know.
Input function. Okay, input we used to take value from the user. Okay, the programs also we have seen. See, if you need, if you forget something, so we have study material link provided by the class coordinator. I will go to that. We are also maintaining the regular lectures as well as your attendance. Okay, I will go here. Here, ACP. Okay, advanced programming concept. Okay, if you go here, what contents I delivered, and the related YouTube links are there. I posted you here on the YouTube because it will be easy for you to access. For Google or Google Drive, it takes much amount of your data, so that I kept. That means we decided to keep on the YouTube. It will take minimum bandwidth to access the contents. Okay, so if you forget something, go to this link. Try to recall. You may take a forward if you understood one concept, then forward it to next concept. Likewise, similarly, I have shared the PPTs as well. Okay, if you click, you can able to access it. Okay, so I'll not go into that part now. Okay, so we are on the point like how to talk to computer. म्हणजे कम्प्युटरशी कसं बोलायचं in the sense we record two-way communication. Print is only to display, म्हणजेच काय हे झालं one way communication, and to get value from the user, that is what another side of communication. So that means a talk. Okay, that means one is displaying something, other is getting input. So how to talk? We have two functions, print function and input function, to talk with the computer. So we have completed this unit number 2 in last lecture. Today we have a test on the same. Okay, I have prepared one test and I will share the test at the end of this session. Okay, but before this, today we are going to start with the next unit, unit number 3, Boolean values, conditional execution loop, list processing, logical and bitwise operation. This is what these are not the contents. These are this is the heading of the chapter. Okay, unfortunately we have like what are the contents are there, so it is displayed as the heading of the unit. Okay, so it should not be like, but as it is decided, so we will not make any changes. These are the contents: making decision in Python. This is my first content. Second, Python loops. What are the different loops are there? Those we are going to look. Okay, from this point onwards, Python loops. So we have मेनी प्रॉब्लेम स्टेटमेंट्स. ओके, आतापर्यंत जे काय आपण बघितलं इट इज अ बेसिक. लेट से यू आर लर्निंग सम लँग्वेज मराठी और इंग्लिश. सुरुवातीला you are going to learn alphabet, then you are going to learn capital letters, small letters, then you get to know what are the vowels and other words. Okay, then combination of those alphabets you will come to know, you will come up with some words. By combination of some words you are going to come up with some statements. Thereafter you are facing some grammar, rule for grammars to write a sentences. Likewise in programming, what we have the basic we have covered as of now. आतापर्यंत जे काय आपण प्रोग्रामिंग मध्ये बघितलंय पायथन मध्ये, it is a core basic part. Also today we are going to see some basic and we are going to start with actual programming with loops. Loopचे programs आपण today we are going to see one loop. Okay, so इथून पुढे तुम्हाला प्रॉब्लेम स्टेटमेंट होमवर्क साठी वगैरे मिळतील. बट ॲज ऑफ नाऊ आतापर्यंत जे काय आपण बघितलंय, सो वी शुड नॉट फॉरगेट दिस बिकॉज इट्स अ व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट पार्ट. ओके, सो आतापर्यंत जे काय बघितलं युनिट नंबर अप टू इन युनिट नंबर 2. सो डू यू हॅव एनी डाऊट? याच्यामध्ये तुम्हाला काही डाऊट आहे का? येस, is there any doubt?
Literals.
Hello, hello, I'm not able to hear properly. Can you repeat?
0.2.2.
Point 2 literal. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, literals in very short. If you have any constant value, constant आता constant कशाला म्हणायचं? Let's say here I'm using the same example 5. Is 5 is going to be changed in this expression? ह्या expression मध्ये 5 हा चेंज होणार आहे का? नाही. I have one more expression. Let's say a is equal to okay, I will use single quotes or I can use double or triple quote as well for string. आता जर इथे मी काय केलंय, just check here 5 is integer value and if I give this 5 in the single quote it's a character value. But is there any change happening over here? इथे आता सध्या काही चेंज होतोय का? No, such constants in the program we called it as a literal. म्हणजे variable in short the value which is assigned to variable we called it as a literal. Okay, समजलंय का?
Yes, sir.
Okay, आणि operators. Okay, we'll go to operator part. मी तुम्हाला एक I'll try to quick revise. इथे for operator you need to remember two different part. Okay, before operator here I told you we have two operators. You should remember these two words, unary operator. Sorry, okay, sorry. We have two operators. One is unary operator and second is binary. आता unary कधी म्हणायचं आणि binary कधी म्हणायचं ऑपरेटर्सला, त्याच्या आधी I'm going to give you some example. So what are the operators we have? We have equal to operator, we have exclamatory sign and equal to म्हणजेच काय not equal to, we have less than, we have less than equal to, we have greater than equal to, we have plus minus equal to, we have seen into, that means star, slash, that means divide. Okay, in last lecture we have gone through these arithmetic operators. इथे आपण बघितले बरोबर. Plus is used for addition, and one more use we have seen for plus. Yes, who will able to recall? Plus साठी मी दोन यूज सांगितले होते. So yes, someone is trying something. आठवतंय का काही? Hello.
Two word adding.
हा, टू वर्ड. ओके, टू वर्ड ऍडिंग म्हणताय तुम्ही. वी हॅव वन मोर वर्ड फॉर इज कॉन्केटिनेशन ऑफ स्ट्रिंग. थोडंसं प्रोग्रामिंग मध्ये बोलूयात आपण. युअर मिनिंग इज ॲब्सोल्युटली ट्रू. ऍडिंग टू वर्ड्स, बट ऍडिंग टू वर्ड्स ऍडिशन ही परत काय होते, मॅथमॅटिकल टर्म्स होती, बरोबर. तर स्ट्रिंग किंवा जे आपण सेंटेन्स म्हणतो, इथे सेंटेन्स मध्ये ऍडिशन वर्ड यूज नाही करत. ऍडिशन मध्ये you can call it as combine, or you can call it as join, or you can call it as concatenation of two words or two strings. Okay, so कुठले कुठले आहेत? First one is addition. Plus operator will do addition as well as combining or joining or concatenation of two string. See here we have seen this plus is doing the addition as well, बरोबर. नुसतं नंबरची बेरीज नाही करत तर काय करते त्याच्याबरोबर. इफ आय एम हॅव्हिंग अ स्ट्रिंग लिटरल, इथे काय आहेत माझे लिटरल्स, नंबर आहेत, बरोबर. फॉर number as a literal part, I am doing the addition. If literals are in the form of characters, so plus operator will do concatenation of the string. Similarly, we have seen two parts for two different operations for multiplication sign. So what are those operations? Yes, are you able to recall? Multiplication sign हे आपण दोन प्रकारे यूज करतो. So we'll try to recall it. One is absolutely आता मी सांगितलं मल्टिप्लिकेशन साठी. And what about other? Yes.
What, sir?
As like addition operator, this plus sign is used for two different function. One is for addition and second is for concatenation of the string. Now similar with plus operator, I have star operator. Star, one use I have already told you, it is used for multiplication. What is the other use of star?
स्क्वेअर रूट काढण्यासाठी पण यूज केली जाते.
No, 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 no. Square root नाही, पॉवर रेस टू ऑपरेटर साठी. स्क्वेअर रूट साठी नाही, त्याची पॉवर. Okay, I will go to that example. See here, this is equal to multiplication, and here this plus operator, if I have a string literal, इथे जर माझं string literal असेल तर what will be the output of this? I will repeat 3 times. येते लक्षात? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I think you have not done this part, right? You have not practiced. So that is why I'm getting a slow response. See, if you are not doing practice, okay, so you will not get the concept clearly. इथे बघा, x into 3, that means x is going to repeat 3 times. What is required? Practice. Only practice can help you to understand it. Okay. So operators कळालेत का? So one of you have asked question about explaining literals. So literal is nothing but a value to the, you can say in a simple word, value to the variable is nothing but a literal, and operators are used for some computation or the calculation purpose. Okay, and we just now we have seen addition operators in the previous arithmetic operators in my previous lecture. Today we are going to look for comparison operators and the logical operators. ओके, सो ऑपरेटर्स म्हणजे काय समजले का, आणि त्याचे कुठले दोन टाइप आहेत, युनरी ऑपरेटर आणि बायनरी ऑपरेटर्स. ओके, इथपर्यंत समजलंय का?
Yes, sir.
ओके, सो सगळ्यांना समजलंय का? यस, हो म्हणा, नाही म्हणा. See, ideal should not be the response. Either say yes or no. Question is very simple.
We are understand, sir.
Okay,
But lack of practice, we forget it easily.
that is what I'm discussing. Need a practice. So if you practice, there is no need to remember. जर तुम्ही प्रॅक्टिस करत राहिला, म्हणजे असं लक्षात ठेवायची पण गरज लागणार नाही. द लँग्वेज इज व्हेरी सिम्पल, बट इफ यू हॅव नॉट प्रॅक्टिस, then it is very difficult to write a single line itself. Okay, so try to practice it. I will give multiple examples now here onwards, because we have examples, we have some problems from here onwards for your homework. As of now, as it's only a basic part, so still I expect that you should implement it. मी तुम्हाला इथे दिलेत बघा. If you execute it, okay, what one thing happen here, if you check, जर तुम्ही असंच्या असा हा जर कोड इथून कॉपी केला, yes, is everybody looking here at the screen? Everyone, are you looking here at the screen? Okay, I have uploaded this PPT, and if you try to copy this code, okay, just copy it and check what it happens. Okay, I will paste it here, and if you check, if I run the program, it won't run. का बरं? Because this PPT is a editor. हा काय आहे? Editor. And here there are some setting for the editor, like first letter is always be the capital letter. बरोबर, फर्स्ट लेटर काय आहे की कॅपिटल आहे. सो बट what is happening here, I am doing the x into y, both are in the small letters. बरोबर, इथे बघा, x into y, it is in the small letter. Here I am calling the variable result where r is small letter, but as it's a editor, it changed default, it changed to its default. इथे काय झालंय, r कॅपिटल झालंय because it's a first letter. सो इथे काय करायला लागेल, अशा ठिकाणी तुम्हाला करेक्शन्स करायला लागतील. ओके, व्हेरिएबल इफ यू हॅव यूज कॅपिटल, हिअर यू कॅन यूज कॅपिटल, बट सच नेम ऑफ फंक्शन लाईक प्रिंट फंक्शन, p इज नॉट कॅपिटल, p ऑलवेज बी इन द स्मॉल लेटर्स. हे फक्त काय करायला लागतील, तुम्हाला थोडेसे चेंजेस करायला लागतील. instead of this, I would ask you to type the program टाइप करताना for a simplicity, keep all things in a small letter. सगळ्यात सोपी गोष्ट काय आहे, एक गोष्ट करू शकता तुम्ही, कॅपिटल स्मॉलच्या भानगडीत पडू नका. सगळ्या गोष्टी म्हणजे जे काय तुम्ही व्हेरिएबल्स, इफ यू आर गोइंग टू गिव्ह अ नेम टू द व्हेरिएबल, गिव्ह इट इन द स्मॉल लेटर्स. ओके, हे सगळ्या स्मॉल लेटर्स मध्ये द्या. इफ आय राईट इन द स्मॉल and it at the time of saving the file, it automatically converts my file into the capital letters. So and it gets uploaded. आता इथे मी चेंजेस केलेत, कॉपी करा आणि आता इथे पेस्ट करा. सॉरी, I'll execute it. Okay, you'll find the answer. 12 into 9, 108. Okay, copy paste करताना if you get error, just check whether your function name, print or input is something is there, it is in the small letters. हे small letter मध्ये आहेत का ते चेक करा. Then second thing, what you need to check, the variables is similar, like if here it is a capital, and if you are asking for a small, so it will raise an error. नेम एक्स इज नॉट डिफाइंड म्हणजेच काय की इथे ज्यावेळेस कंपायलर येईल इट इज नॉट फाइंडिंग द डेफिनेशन फॉर स्मॉल एक्स ची व्हॅल्यू इथे दिली का तुम्ही अँड यू आर गोइंग टू डू मल्टिप्लिकेशन स्मॉल एक्स इंटू स्मॉल वाय सो यू वॉन्ट फाइंड अ करेक्ट value for the variable. Okay, so here I have uploaded this, but if you do the copy paste you will get such errors. And how to resolve? You need to check the variables declared and the variables you called in the program. तुम्ही इथे सुरुवातीला डिक्लेअर केलेले आणि प्रोग्राम मध्ये कॉल केलेले व्हेरिएबल्स यू नीड टू चेक whether it is of same capital or small letters. त्याच्यानंतर जे फंक्शन तुम्ही यूज करताय you need to check the function name must be in the small letters. Okay, if I write it here capital P, so it won't work. If you check, the color is also changed. Okay, print is not defined. Okay, so instead of this it will treat as a variable, but we use the print function, so there P is a small. You might know that Python is a case sensitive language. Capital it has a different meaning, small it has a different meaning. Okay, so it's a case sensitive language. We need to be alert while we are typing the program. Okay, now today we are going to start with unit number 3, as rightly mentioned. So Boolean values, conditional executions, loop, list and list processing, logical and bitwise operator. See, you need to understand, anyhow you need to understand this chapter. मी परत एकदा सांगतो की हा चॅप्टर you need to understand anyhow, because everything is based on conditions, these values and the loops. जर तुम्हाला प्रोग्रामिंग येतं हे कधी म्हणू शकतो आपण when you know the condition, use of condition and use of the loop. कंडिशन आणि लूप हे जर तुम्हाला समजले तरच आपण म्हणू शकतो की तुम्हाला प्रोग्रामिंग जमते. इथून दो यू नो द प्रिव्हियस चॅप्टर्स it don't have any meaning, because most of the time in campus interviews, just a minute. Okay, most of the time in campus interviews the questions are asked on these conditional statement and the loop. Okay, so loop we know, if loop, else loop, if else loop, right, for loop, while loop. Okay, these are the loops. And conditions, today we are going to see comparison operator for this conditional execution. But हा chapter तुम्हाला व्यवस्थित समजलंच पाहिजे. We will go this, we have some problem statement. हे ते problem statement तुम्ही solve करायचेच आहे. And if you stuck at some point, you can message me at any time. Okay, so I expect everyone's attention on this unit, because this is very important as per the programming language concern. Okay, so what is there in the first point? Making decisions in Python. Making decisions in Python, we have second Python loop. So here we have more concept: if else, for, while, likewise. Logic and bitwise operations, list, sort. Okay, this is one of the operation in list. And if you, okay, this is all, this part is considered under list. Yes, again, list and list madle functionalities are. Okay, so important this part, loop and logical operations. Okay, now we will try to start this third unit, making decision in Python. So ultimately, now we have come up with some foundation, like what are the literals, variables, how it is stored, how to communicate the different programming, how to convert one format to other format, like converting integer to string or string to the integers. Okay, likewise we have seen float number to the integer number, integer to the float numbers, that we have seen. Now today we are going to look some extra features of the programming language. This is nothing but to make some decisions. Now what are those decisions? Decisions. So for that we should understand first what is Boolean expression. Boolean expression. So can you tell me what are the Boolean values? We have discussed this point, Boolean values. So who will tell me what is Boolean value or Boolean expression? कोण सांगू शकते?
No, sir.
Okay. Boolean value. So we have two values only, either 0 or 1. Okay. And Boolean expression. Okay. For this, we are calling true and false. 0 true, 1 false. Okay. हे जे काही व्हॅल्यूज आहेत त्यालाच आपण काय म्हणतो ट्रू आणि फॉल्स. आता जे एक्सप्रेशन हे व्हॅल्यू रिटर्न करेल आयदर ट्रू ऑर फॉल्स, त्या एक्सप्रेशनला आपण काय म्हणणार बुलियन एक्सप्रेशन. बुलियन दॅट मीन्स इट हॅज ओनली टू व्हॅल्यूज, आयदर ट्रू ऑर फॉल्स ऑर 0 ऑर 1. बरोबर. द एक्सप्रेशन which will return either true or false, we call such expression as Boolean expression. तर आता हे ट्रू आहे की फॉल्स आहे हे करण्यासाठी we have some examples. Now, okay, I will go to this part. Print 5 greater than 6. Okay, I'll erase this. Okay, when you are doing program practice, what you need to do here, your name, then your division, then here your roll number, and fourth comment will be program. Program we are looking for Boolean expression. Okay. मी हे कशासाठी सांगतो बिकॉज at the time of your submission you need to perform the programs and you need to upload it. So as we are doing in a regular way, आता आपण practice करणारच आहोत. So you should write this 4 line at the top. And what is this hash? Hash is nothing but a comment. Comment म्हणजेच काय की ह्या तुमच्या 4 लाईन प्रोग्राम एक्झिक्यूट करताना यूज होत नाहीत. Okay, so you will not find any output. Okay,
Sir,
yes,
if we use multiple comment, is there any another syntax?
actually I have not found this here as a multi-line comment. This is there in C, C++, other language, but I have not found here for Python. Okay, once I will get, I will discuss here in the lecture so that everyone, instead of writing a hash for each and every line, so easily you can go through it. Okay, I will inform. I will check once again for next lecture. Okay.
Okay.
But as of now, I have not found. So I'm making the hash for that means comment for every line. So once I will find out, I will inform you and I will use it here so that everyone will come to know. Okay. Okay. Now what we are looking for Boolean expression. Boolean expression, that means I will note it somewhere. Okay. एक तर बुलियन एक्सप्रेशन म्हणजेच काय की ते एक्सप्रेशन एक्झिक्यूट झाल्यानंतर it should give either true or false value. Okay, so if we check print, and I will write it here as I have taken the example 5 greater than 6. Yes, is this condition true or false? Is this statement, आता हे जे काही लिहिलंय मी इथे 5 greater than 6, it is the expression. ह्यालाच काय म्हणतात एक्सप्रेशन. Or we have seen here in unit number 2, okay, this way, y is equal to x into 3. This is also one expression. Okay, but here it returns some result. इथे काय रिझल्ट होतोय, hi is going to print 3 times. इथे काय रिझल्ट येतोय 12 into 9 108. It is the result. Okay, but does it give any true value or false? इथे ट्रू आणि फॉल्स येते का, नाही येत. त्याच्यामुळे आपण ह्याला बुलियन एक्सप्रेशन नाही म्हणणार. इट्स जस्ट एक्सप्रेशन. हे काय झालं नुसतं एक्सप्रेशन. x equal to 12, y is equal to 9, result is equal to x into y. So this we called it as expression. पण बुलियन एक्सप्रेशन कधी म्हणायचं? when it returns either true or false value. Okay, now tell me whether it is true or false.
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 5 is not greater than 6. Okay, if I run this program, you will check it gives me false result. येतंय का लक्षात? Yes, are you understanding? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, the expression which results either into true or false, such expressions we called it as a boolean expression. Boolean expression कधी म्हणायचं? जर त्याची व्हॅल्यू त्या एक्सप्रेशन एक्झिक्यूट झाल्यानंतर जर मला रिझल्ट हा एक तर ट्रू ऑर फॉल्स मिळत असेल, ओके, at that moment only I will call it as a boolean expression. Otherwise it's just a expression like here x equal to 5, y is equal to, I may take here as a string, make. Okay, and if I print this, print, okay, I will print here x comma y. Okay, 5 make. येते लक्षात? इथे ट्रू आणि फॉल्स येते का? नाही. इथे काय आलं ऍक्च्युली? त्याची व्हॅल्यू एक्स व्हेरिएबलची व्हॅल्यू अँड व्हॅल्यू ऑफ वाय व्हेरिएबल. ओके, दिस इज एक्सप्रेशन बट इट रिटर्न्स रिझल्ट. This is also expression but it returns either true or false. If I make the changes in the condition, now I have made 5 is less than 6. Yes, it is true, the condition is true, so what it will return me? True. And such type of expression we called it as boolean expression. हे समजलं का boolean expression कशाला म्हणायचं?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now see, for this conditional expressions, I will move back to the point here. Okay, conditional execution किंवा तुमचं logical expression हे जे काय आहे, so for that concern we need to understand what is boolean expression. Boolean expression हे कशाला म्हणायचं हे तुम्हाला कंडिशनल एक्झिक्युशन आणि लॉजिकल एक्झिक्युशन साठी तुम्हाला माहितच पाहिजे, किंवा तुम्ही लूप एक्झिक्यूट करताय तर याच्यासाठी ही डेफिनेशन तुम्हाला यू नीड टू रिमेंबर. व्हॉट इज बुलियन एक्सप्रेशन? द एक्सप्रेशन्स, आधी एक्सप्रेशन म्हणजे काय? if we are doing some calculation, that means this is assignment operation. Okay, if you are doing any such kind of expressions, any such statements, तर ह्या स्टेटमेंटला आपण काय म्हणतो? एक्सप्रेशन, बिकॉज इट इज असाइनिंग द व्हॅल्यू. इथे काहीतरी ऑपरेशन्स होत आहेत, म्हणजेच काय, त्याला स्टेटमेंट न राहता एक्सप्रेशन होणार. ओके, आणि एक्सप्रेशन मध्ये पण दोन टाइप आहेत, विच रिटर्न्स द व्हॅल्यू, we called it as regular expression, and second category is which will return either true or false, whether condition is true or false. And if such expressions are there which returns true or false, so those expressions we called it as a boolean expression. So you need to remember this. Okay, now आता हे expressions कुठे कुठे यूज करतो आपण? We are going to use in a conditional statements, then logical statements, and in the loop. Okay, loop will go further. आता पुढे जाऊन बघणार आहोत आपण लूप्स वगैरे. ओके, सो ॲज ऑफ दिस आर यू क्लिअर नाउ? इथपर्यंत समजलंय का?
Yes, sir.
ओके,
हॅलो सर.
हॅलो, येस.
सर ती प्रिंट आहे एक्स कॉमा वाय, तिथे कॉमा येत नाही का? 5 कॉमा मेक रिझल्ट मध्ये
कॉमा घ्यायचा असेल तर तुम्हाला परत तिथे डबल इन्व्हर्टेड कॉमा, त्याच्यामध्ये तुम्हाला ते प्रिंट करायला लागेल. ओके, सो इथे फक्त काय लिटरल्स प्रिंट केलेत मी, तर कॉमा वगैरे नाही प्रिंट केलेला. ऍक्च्युली आता सध्या माझा पॉइंट इथे आहे की हे सांगायचं तुम्हाला एक्सप्रेशन बद्दलचा. सो आय एम नॉट गोइंग टू दॅट डिटेल्स. ओके, फक्त मला तुम्हाला एक्सप्रेशन्स काय ते सांगायचे, राईट? नाउ हिअर वी हॅव ओके, इथपर्यंत बघितले. Okay, it's either true or false. Now we will go to comparison operators. आता लास्ट लेक्चर्सला आपण काय बघितले? I will draw here one more table. Okay, I will not draw. I will directly display the table as I have here PDF. कुठले ऑपरेटर्स बघितले? प्लस मायनस इंटू डिव्हिजन, डबल डिव्हिजन, पर्सेंटेज and double multiplication sign. Okay, so now this type of operator we called it as arithmetic. ह्या ऑपरेटर्सला काय म्हणतात? अरिथमॅटिक ऑपरेटर्स. कारण काय की इथे तुमचं काहीतरी मॅथमॅटिक्स रिलेटेड कॅल्क्युलेशन होते. ओके, आयदर यू आर डुईंग ऍडिशन, सबस्ट्रॅक्शन, इनटू, डिव्हिजन, फाइंडिंग द कोशंट फॉर डबल डिव्हिजन, पर्सेंटेज म्हणजे बाकी किती उरती, दॅट इज युअर रिमाइंडर, आणि डबल मल्टिप्लिकेशन दॅट मीन्स एक्सपोनंट म्हणजे टू द पॉवर ऑफ. ओके, हे झाले तुमचे कुठले? अरिथमॅटिक ऑपरेटर्स. सिमिलरली वी आर हॅव्हिंग दिस ॲज कम्पॅरिझन ऑपरेटर्स, म्हणजे थोडक्यात तुलना करायची. आता तुलना कोणामध्ये करायची? दिस इज व्हॉट ऑपरेटर. हे काय आहे? ऑपरेटर्स. सो वी हॅव सीन ऑपरेटर हॅज ॲट मॅक्स 2 ऑपरंड्स. ऑपरंड म्हणजेच काय की त्याच्या लेफ्ट हँड साईडला आणि त्याच्या राईट हँड साईडला. If I'm having the values or if I'm having the variables, so I need to compare the left hand side with the right hand side. Okay, now what we have here, this I'm taking it as a greater than operator, and here I have written one expression for your example. Now 6 is greater than 5. Now tell me whether it is true or false, whether this condition is true or false.
False. Oh, sorry, true.
Just check once again. It's a greater than 6 greater
True,
than 5. So yes, the condition is true. Okay, and if you find here I have displayed the result as well. Less than, just check, 6 is less than 5, the condition is false, so it will result false. Okay, now here you need to be very clear here. Okay, I will try to, okay, इथे दिसतंय का? I have highlighted this part. Is it visible clearly to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, see, this is double equal to, equal to, equal to. It's a comparison operator. Okay, and we have one more, single equal to. This we called it as assignment. Difference आलाय का लक्षात? Single
Yes.
equal to is going to assign the values. Double equal to is going to compare value from the left hand side and the value from the right hand side. If you check now here, 6 is compared with 5. If it is true, if this condition is true, आता ही condition कधी true असेल? When we have same values on both hand side. 5 is equal to 5 or 6 equal to 6. Now it will return true. इथे result काय येईल? True. But if I have a different value here, so it will result me false. आणि इथे जर मी single equal to use केला असेल, if I use here single equal to, that means this right hand side is going to be assigned to the left hand side operand. Right hand side ला जी काही तुमची value असेल or operand असेल, let's say y. Okay, okay, I will take here x equal to 10. Y is equal to 20, and my third statement is x equal to y, and here I am going to print the value, print value of okay, print value of x. So what will be the value of x?
20.
Yes, because if you check, 10 is assigned to x variable, 20 is assigned to y variable, and now the value of y variable, इथं y is equal to x, sorry, x equal to y म्हणजेच काय की y या पोझिशनला किंवा या मेमरी लोकेशनला जी काय व्हॅल्यू असेल, इट इज गोइंग टू असाइन टू द x variable. and here I'm going to print the value of x variable. And as I use capital, so I will capital E here. Okay, so this is what assignment, and here it is a comparison. Okay, so once this complete, I will shift to the execution. Exclamatory sign and equal to, exclamatory sign and equal to. Okay, I'll just enlarge it. Manjes not equal to. Okay, if you check the operand from left hand side and the operand from left hand side, and here I'm checking the condition not equal to. If both are not same, it will return me true because the condition is true. As 6 is not equal to 5, that means it is true, so it will write true. But if I use this way, 5 not equal to 5, so it will return false because it is equal to. हे काय आहेत equal to आहेत, but what I am मी काय म्हणतोय 5 not equal to 5, so it will give me here as false. Okay, now we have, along with greater than, less than, we have greater than equal to and less than equal to. So if I'm having like 6 greater than or equal to 5, yes, the condition is true. Less than 6 less than equal to 5, the condition is false. Why false? Because 6 is greater than, it is not less than, so that is why it is a false. Okay, तुम्हाला हे कंपॅरिझन ऑपरेटर समजलेत का? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, now I have one problem statement here. Implement all comparison operators. Okay. Okay, Boolean expression is over now. Do you remember हे जे काही आपण यूज करणार आहोत, कंपॅरिझन ऑपरेटर, लॉजिकल ऑपरेटर्स, हे बुलियन एक्सप्रेशन्स, इट इज रिक्वायर्ड हिअर. इफ यू डोंट अंडरस्टँड दिस, हे तुम्हाला लूप्स कळणार नाहीत, लूप कसे एक्झिक्यूट होत आहेत हे तुम्हाला समजणार नाही. ओके, इफ यू हॅव एनी डाऊट इन एनी ऑफ द ऑपरेटर, यू कॅन आस्क मी. कारण लूप्स मध्ये इट डिपेंड्स ऑन ओनली व्हॅल्यू ट्रू अँड फॉल्स. लूप कधी एक्झिक्यूट होतात? व्हेन कंडिशन इज ट्रू, तरच लूप एक्झिक्यूट होतो, अदरवाइज लूप विल नॉट बी एक्झिक्यूट. ओके, आणि ट्रू कधी असेल, फॉल्स कधी असेल, इट डिपेंड्स ऑन युअर एक्सप्रेशन. त्याच्यासाठी एक्सप्रेशन्स नेमकं कसं वर्क होते, दॅट वी शुड नो. ओके, आय विल राईट इट हिअर. What we are going to implement here, not equal to, sorry, equal to, less than equal to, equal to. Okay, so simply I will take here x is equal to 5, y equal to 6, print x greater than y. Okay, we'll go one by one, we will not take greater than and less than. See, I have assigned 5 to x variable and I have assigned 6 to y variable. And what I am doing the comparison whether x is greater than y or x is less than y. Okay, if you check, if I run the program, x is greater than y, this statement is false. Why? If you replace the values, x is 5, 5 is greater than 6, the condition is false, so it will return the result as false. Now if you check this next condition, 5 is less than 6, the condition is true, so it will return me the true value. Okay, so now I will take print. I'm going to compare whether x is exactly equal to y. x आणि y या दोघांच्या व्हॅल्यू एकच आहेत का ते I need to check it here. false. It gives me false because 5 is not equal to 6. So it gives me this result. Now I will check whether the statement that I have written x not equal to y, is this true or false? ही condition true आहे का false आहे? Yes, the condition is true because 5 is not equal to 6. If I change the value here, 6, now you will check here, and x is equal to y. Yes, it is true because I have made the same value for both the variables x and y. So it gives me true, and this x not equal to y, it gives me false because now both are the same. Okay, so I'll make change. Now print in bracket x less than equal to y. Just check whether x is less than or equal to 5. Now x is 6 and y is 5. So is 6 less than or equal to? No, it is not less, but it is also not equal to. So it returns the false. I will check print x greater than equal to y. The condition is true. 6 is greater than 5. Okay, so इथपर्यंत समजलंय का?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you do it now? Okay, I will
Yes.
share this link in your chat box so that just click on the link and you will get to this programming window. Yes, is link available in everyone chat box? प्रत्येकाच्या chat box मध्ये link दिसते
Yes,
का?
sir.
Okay, just click on the link. Type these first 4 lines. And check, give any value, not limit to 6 and 5. इथे फक्त 6 आणि 5 च द्या असं काही नाही. You can give any value. And based on the values you have given here for the variables, you can check whether it is true, it gives a correct or wrong. Write these first 4 lines. And send me screenshot so that it will be there in our discussion panel. म्हणजे नंतर जरी तुमच्या if you have cleared the memory and if you have removed all the screenshot from your side, so it will be available in our chat history. Okay, so you can send it on my number as well. Yes, most of you are sending me the screenshot. Good.